All right, space enthusiasts, welcome to another thrilling episode where we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Ever wondered how our incredible solar system came to be? How did this magnificent collection of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies form from seemingly nothing? Grab your helmets, because we're diving into a cosmic journey that spans billions of years, all in just 3 minutes. Well, maybe a bit longer, but trust me, it's worth every second. Picture this. About 4.6 billion years ago, a giant molecular cloud was just floating there in the Milky Way galaxy. This cloud was a vast, cold, and dark region filled with gas and dust, waiting for something extraordinary to happen. Then, boom! A nearby supernova exploded, sending shockwaves that caused this cloud to collapse. This explosion was like a cosmic wake-up call, triggering the birth of our solar system. This collapsing cloud, now called a solar nebula, started to spin, forming a flat, rotating disk. Imagine a giant cosmic whirlpool, with all the gas and dust spiraling inward. At the center of all this chaos was a young, fiery sun in the making. This proto-sun began to gather more and more material, growing hotter and brighter with each passing moment. As the sun was forming, particles in the disk began to collide and stick together. These collisions were not just random, they were the building blocks of something much larger. These tiny particles grew into pebbles, then rocks, and eventually planetesimals. Those are the building blocks of planets, by the way. Think of them as the Lego pieces of the universe, coming together to form something spectacular. Over millions of years, these planetesimals collided and fused to form the planets we know and love today. It was a chaotic and violent process, but out of this cosmic turmoil, order began to emerge. The inner part of the solar nebula was hot, which led to the formation of rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are made of heavier elements that could withstand the intense heat. Meanwhile, the outer parts were cooler, allowing gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn to form, followed by ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. These planets gathered massive amounts of gas and ice, becoming the behemoths we see today. But how long did this all take? The timeline of our solar system's formation is a fascinating one. Well, forming the sun took a few million years, but the planets took a bit longer. The sun's formation was relatively quick in cosmic terms, but it set the stage for everything that followed. The rocky planets formed relatively quickly, within 10 to 100 million years. These planets were the first to take shape, solidifying from the dense, hot material close to the sun. The gas giants took their sweet time, forming over 100 million years or more. These giants needed more time to gather their massive atmospheres from the cooler outer regions of the solar nebula. What's mind-blowing is that the solar system is still evolving. It's a dynamic and ever-changing place with new discoveries being made all the time. Asteroids, comets, and even the orbits of planets continue to change. These small bodies can have big impacts, sometimes literally, on the planets and moons they encounter. It's like a never-ending cosmic dance. Each celestial body moves in a delicate balance, influenced by the gravity of its neighbors. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember you're looking at a story that began 4.6 billion years ago. Pretty cool, right? Each star, each planet has its own tale to tell. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an out-of-this-world update. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.